Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Yes, there are more boxes today to unbox from Mr.Maple. We just unboxed a couple Japanese maple, and these are two conifers that I am so excited about. So I was really inspired this week by a post that I saw on Facebook. And this was on the MrMaple.com Friends Facebook group. If you are not a member of that Facebook group, what great information they share and what amazing pictures people share of their gardens. A lot of Japanese maples and a lot of conifers. So one of the members of the Facebook group, Sonny Magnusson in Sweden, had posted some gorgeous pictures of their garden. And one of them just caught my eye, and I was like, that is what I was thinking of when I started to put in some Japanese maples and conifers. Now, my garden does not look like that at all. However, there were a few real bright yellow colored conifers at the front of this picture, and Sonny did tell what type they were, and I went on Mr.Maple and I was able to get a hold of those two. So these are going to really brighten the garden. I think that it's going to really add some highlights to kind of a shady area. Now, there are certain times of year that these look more golden than others. And this first one here, this cute little guy is Little Gem. So let me tell you what I know about Little Gem. This is Picea abies, and Little Gem is a dwarf Norway spruce. It is hardy down to zone 3. So it is going to be quite happy here and hardy up to zone 7. So we're a 6B/7A. We should be fine with that. It's a miniature dwarf Norway spruce, and its pine needles do mature to be a deeper green, but it is going to have some of that bright color, especially in the winter. After 10 years, it could get to be about 2 feet by 3 feet. So it's going to be nice and tiny. It's known to be a really small grower, and I like that. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. So I think this will just be a really good addition to the garden. And I'm going to be potting these up in a minute too. So I'm just going to move that to the side. Oh boys, another box to explore. We're having a lot of excitement here. Okay, and then in here, let's see what we have. Oh yes. Okay, this one you can sort of see the golden tips here that give it that yellowish color. Love that. Put this box over here. There we go. Take a look at that. So this is Peve Tijn, which is a dwarf Serbian spruce. It's also hardy really down to the cold zones of zone 3, but hardy all the way up to zone 9. So this one has a slightly larger range here, and it's going to add a lot of this bright golden color. So to get the most bright color, you want sun on this one. It's going to get about 3 to 4 feet tall and wide in the 10 years. So it's also a nice slow grower. It starts out kind of rounded, but it's going to get more conical as it gets older. So keeping that in mind, when you see the inspiration picture, you're going to see that more conical shape because it is definitely older in the picture, but I am happy to start with this and grow it up. So let's see, pumpkin, can I bring this over here? Okay. We're going to get these potted up too. Now, the other really important thing for conifers is good drainage. So that's why I'm keeping these in the grow bags. The area that some of them have been in, I haven't gotten the drainage issue quite right yet. So I feel like this is the safest bet to make sure that they are getting what they need. Okay. few handfuls of potting mix. Make sure to settle it in. Otherwise, you'll water it and it'll all just go down. There we go. That looks good. So now very carefully. Okay. Oops, I might have put too much in. That's okay. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, and you want it on the high side because you don't want any water pooling on top. I'd rather have the sides of this a little lower. Yeah. Hey, pumpkin, are you into all the good things to explore? Yeah, you have a lot of dirt on you, don't you? What fun. I hear our other cat upstairs running around. Who knows what he's doing? But he knows I can't check on him this moment. Okay, oh, that looks good. So here is Peve Tijn. Oh, so exciting. Would you like to take a look at that one? And then let's bring over the last one that we'll be potting up today. I just went and got more potting soil delivered here because I know that as I pot up seeds, and it won't be long before I need to do that, that I will need more. Okay, and here we have Little Gem. I'm going to take that off. There we go. Beautiful, that fit in really nicely. And I'm just going to fill in around the edges a bit. We're trying not to disturb the roots. We just want to keep these babies happy. Okay, let's see. It's working out well to have this box underneath, isn't it? Catching everything. Oh, here's Pickle, the one who is running around. It's the active time of day, I guess. Okay, I'm still just making sure. I want the roots covered. I just don't want anything exposed out here. There we go. That's almost there. Nice. Oh, that looks so good. So 2 cute little conifers. And I am so excited about these, and I lucked out that Mr.Maple had them available this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.